Welcome back, everybody. We're down here on vacation in Tennessee's beautiful Smoky Mountains. We're high in the hills above Pigeon Forge, having a great time with our family, cooking a lot of food this week, even filmed some Blackstone videos for my Let's Give It a Try show, and I have a bunch of leftovers. I think we're gonna make a breakfast sandwich today. For lack of a better word, we're gonna call it a Tennessee breakfast sandwich. I have Tennessee Pride pork sausage in the refrigerator. I didn't travel with my cooking gloves. We're going light. We'll make some patties with my bare hands. We'll make some big patties. We're gonna do this on Texas toast. I want these to be pretty big, but we're gonna stack these high with ingredients. So not too thick, maybe something like that, maybe 1/3 of a pound. I have a 28-inch Blackstone, picked this up at the local Walmart. Avocado oil, grab some paper towels. Like to start my cooks and end my cooks with that nice, real thin layer of cooking oil. It helps to maintain that seasoning. Protect those hands though, be careful. It's hot griddle top. You could use tongs or heat-resistant gloves. Trying not to use gloves, so we have the patties on the spatula. Down with the first patty. Down with the second patties. I'm making this up as I go along. These are leftovers, so we have a big potato. I think I'm gonna cut really, really thin, but beautiful, huge slices of potatoes. Potato slice, maybe something like that, I don't know. Put those down there in some oil. Maybe a little more oil on top. Picked up this Tennessee's Best. It's like really warm down here and like tropical. I don't know if you can hear that or not. We have birds everywhere. Garlic, butter, really good. I think it'll be good on potatoes. A little bit of that down on my potatoes. These are thin. They should cook rather quickly. Things we found in the fridge, including some jalapenos. Let's go down with some jalapenos. We have our patties cooking, and wow, look at this. I think we're ready to flip already. Go in for a quick flip. That pork cooks up really quick. Ooh-wee. They're gonna be good. Ooh. Nothing like cooking in the great outdoors. Make sure you guys and girls are subscribed to the Blackstone channel, because I filmed a couple of videos while we were down here, and hopefully we'll have some great wild game processing and cooking videos coming up. Leftover Texas toast from a recipe a couple of days ago. Should be nice for a big breakfast sandwich. A little bit of butter. I keep learning the hard way to butter my bread and get it ready for toasting. Let's check on my potatoes. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's nice. Look at that, a beautiful sandwich slice of a potato. I think those are gonna be perfect. I think I'll go ahead. We'll season the second side as well. Come to think of it, we'll season the second side of that Tennessee Pride sausage patty. Jalapenos are looking good. In fact, I don't want those to burn. We'll just set those aside for now. Everything's cooking really well. We're gonna come down here, turn the temperature to low. One plate of steel, it's gonna continue to conduct a ton of heat. Quite frankly, I don't even think I need that much heat. I could probably turn off one burner altogether so we're on low. These are gonna continue to cook with all of that residual heat. Feel free to add a little extra oil if you need to. Cheese left over from a burger video the other day. Slice of Swiss on there, slice of cheddar. Let's toast up that bread. Get it golden brown. Ooh, boy, it's hot. It's been a few seconds, so go ahead and flip that bread. Oh man, that is beautiful. Texas toast, toasting up beautiful here in Tennessee this week. And I have an idea. I think I'm gonna take those patties with the cheese, stack it on top of my potato slice. I know, that's a lot of starches, so eat at your own risk. These are extra slices that we will nibble on here at the house. Let's pull our bread, which looks really, really good. Grab my griddle scraper, get the gunk off my griddle top. We are on low and we're off, but this is still really, really hot. It's gonna be plenty hot to cook an egg. I actually feel like I could cook an egg on my forehead. If you look, we just had a storm. It was 90 degrees today, but there's so much humidity here. I absolutely love the Smoky Mountains. It's gorgeous, but we don't like humidity. My wife and I, our kids, we live in Colorado on the Front Range, and pretty much no humidity there. So even now when it's like 70 degrees, it's sticky. Why is it so humid? Grab some eggs, go down with a little bit of avocado oil, crack these eggs. We'll see how I do without an egg ring. I'm an egg ring kind of guy. We'll see if I can pull these off without an egg ring. Usually an egg ring is my crutch, and I use them quite a bit. I actually turned the heat off, and you can see these eggs are gonna cook perfectly. So you don't need much heat at all. Always cook those eggs last when everything is done. A little more of that seasoning on top of the eggs. I'm gonna grab those jalapenos, and I think those will go right on top of the egg. Have the jalapenos, so we might as well use them. Is it a Tennessee thing? I don't know. Grab a little bit of water, make a little bit of steam. Should be enough to finish the eggs. We are having a great time here though. I was here in 1982 at the World's Fair with my mom and my brother Dan. We went to Knoxville, we went to a bunch of attractions in Gatlinburg, which no longer exist. And so we've been having a great time. We went to Dollywood. We're gonna go to Smoky Mountain National Park. Local shops, of course, we love the shopping. We were up in Kentucky for a couple days, 2 or 3 days, went to the Creation Museum and the Ark. We've been longtime supporters of Answers in Genesis, and we love their ministry. We love what God's doing through their stuff. Chosen brand mayo. It is so good. Expensive. Got this at the regular grocery store here in Tennessee. Probably the cheapest place going to be Costco. Gonna go in and grab that stack. Look at that, with the cheese, the sausage patty, and that fried potato. Do not forget about that fried potato. Down on the bread. Second one, and the third one. Look, you can see that humidity. Look at my Heinz ketchup bottle. Personal thing for me, I like to have ketchup on my hash browns and sausage. You might not want it, but I'm gonna put it on there. Grab those eggs. You leave those sunny side up. Woo-wee, they're hot. And the crown on top. Take a look at that. It's a leftover sandwich. I'm calling it the Tennessee breakfast sandwich. I just don't have a good name, so that sounds pretty darn cool. Who's hungry for breakfast? I can't wait any longer. Let's give it a try. So delicious. Let me get a sip of water from my Creation Museum cup. Hopefully you enjoy that. Used leftovers, but they were delicious. Stay tuned for more videos right here. Please do me a favor. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from. That's a big one for me. I love to hear where people are watching from. Last video, people commented, I think, where I asked, they commented, I think I had Maine. I think there was Scotland. So exciting. So let me know where you're watching from. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Tennessee breakfast sandwich.